Terry is actually part of the Tulsa Remote program, and she has her own YouTube channel. Terry, tell them what's your channel.
Life After 50 with Terry.
You have to check it out. Does Terry even look close to 50? Show them, Terry. Yeah. All right then, guys. We are heading out. One of the Tulsa Remote individuals, Cassandra.
Yeah.
I think it's Cassandra. It's her birthday today. So we're going to take her out, and we just thought we would check in and say, hey. I'm hanging out at a First Friday event here in Tulsa. You know they got snacks. They got. You don't want no hand? Girl, I like little shit like this. Girl, that's a whole sandwich. You know me, I wanted a croissant with I got the pimento cheese one. Y'all probably say you little country mofo. And they went in to get me some pizza. Yay! And then they got liquor. Happy birthday, girl. Happy birthday, girl.
Attention, this is the excuse me.
I gotta learn it. Tina! Oh my God, you gotta teach me. Hello, birthday girl. Happy birthday, Tulsa Remote.
Happy birthday, Cassandra. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Thank you.
See, it's whole food. Well, except for yeah, but Tina, I think I'm gonna bring you my chicken fettuccine.
Food makes me happy.
Happy birthday, dear. I remember your name.
Where am I? Cassandra.
Cassandra.
Hey.
Happy birthday to
Hey.
Wow!
I had a really great day, and tonight was just really about celebrating her birthday here in Tulsa because she's new to Tulsa Remote, and that was really the reason that we all decided to go out. That being said, I am going to take a shower because you know I've been in the streets. I already had enough tequila, so I don't think I'm gonna take no more shots. Been on that tequila all day long, so it's been real. Enjoy your night. Bye, guys. Deuces. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.